Hey guys, sometimes we need to add a product's specific features on a list style. But the Elementor's default list widget is not good enough in creating a lucrative feature list as it has limited options. No worries, you can achieve an awesome look as your features or services by using the feature list widget on your Elementor site. Let's see how to use the feature list widget on your Elementor site. But before you proceed, do make sure to install and activate the plugins, the free version of the Elementor plugin and the free and pro version of the Happy Addons plugin. Let's get started. Open the Elementor editing panel. Add the widget here. You'll get a default view of the widget. Click on Features List option and change the title. Add icons from the icon gallery. Expand the settings and adjust the layout. Next, open the Style option and stylize the media type. And text. Tap on Common and explore the options one by one to make the feature section more beautiful and elegant. So check the rest of the options of this widget and apply them accordingly. However, you can do one more thing. You can use the LiveCopy paste feature to reduce extra work and effort. Let's see how to do it. And that is how you can use the feature list widget on your Elementor site. Bye for now! By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get more tutorials like this one and updates about Happy Elementor add-ons.